there.
My friends from Europe shoot guns in America for their first time.
And from like this distance?
Yep.
Okay.
Hold it tight though.
Yeah.
Put your hand more on the wood up there. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
It's done. You're done.
What the fuck is this one?
Yeah,
Okay.
hold that fucker. Hold
Yeah,
that tight.
yeah.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Better.
Oh shit. It's really hard to like hold it, it's really strong. Fuck me.
There you
Woo. My hand is like after some kind of activity.
You jerk off? Do I jerk off?
Okay, remember, aim at the tree. Try to aim at that tree thing. Yeah, there you go. Good. It's kind of shoot it at the log. At the log.
Like this?
Down a little bit more.
Down, like
yeah,
this?
like that.
Okay. Okay, got it. Okay. Yeah, it hurt my shoulder a bit, but not that much. Okay, and this is the other way.
Yeah, this is the other way. Just try to look where you're aiming, kind of at the thing.
Yeah.
So maybe a little higher. I think you should aim like a little higher. Yeah, right there.
Okay. Fuck no. I'm sorry.
Crazy.
Let me see how high you're aimed. Aim a little lower, just a little lower. Okay, you're hip firing.
Okay.
Okay, maybe a little lower, and then yeah, just press that shit and just hold on. Boom, you did that shit. Good shit.
What is shit?
Fuck yeah!